Welcome back to another kit in 60 seconds. Today I'm going to be taking us through the fig rig. Now we have two variants of fig rig. We have the square variant and the circle variant. All depends on student preference for whatever one you choose. But the square variant only has a simple screw at the bottom, which goes into the bottom of the camera. But I'm going to take you through the circular fig rig because that has a plate that detaches. So to start off with, we're going to take the fig rig, and at the back is a dial. We're just going to loosen that slightly to where the plate will come loose. And on the front is a gold dial, which we're going to press in and slide the plate out to the side, like so. Just place the fig rig just off to the side and grab your camera and flip it upside down and screw that tiny screw at the bottom into the bottom of the camera so it's nice and tight. If you've got your lanyard to hand, then there's a piece of metal on it that you could use to tighten this, or if you've got a screwdriver or a penny, something like that will allow you to tighten that up nice and tight so it doesn't wiggle around. Okay, so nice and finger tight. We're going to grab our fig rig again, press that gold button in like with your thumb, and we're going to slide this onto the fig rig, and then like we did before, we're going to do the opposite now and tighten up that dial on the back. And now your fig rig is ready to use. Really maneuverable. You can hold it on the top or on the sides. You've got 2 points of contact, so nice and stable and really maneuverable.